Today we're going to be building a workstation from these 4 pallets. We're going to take all these slats, and it takes about 10-15 minutes a piece to tear these things apart, so for the sake of time. Okay, so now that's done, let's go to the saw. So now we're just going to cut all of our pieces, stack them up so we can do the assembly. For this, I'm just using 1 3/4 star tip. Okay, so as far as pallet wood goes, this is some pretty good stuff. When you're dealing with pallets, always make sure that it's heat treated. It'll have an HT on it. The HT right there. If it has an MB on it, it's methyl bromide. It's some nasty stuff. You don't want to be working with it around your house, your family, or anything. So just always pay attention to that. Beautiful. Audio cut. We got this first leg done. Now I'll get to the other 3. And there we go. We got the legs on. Now we're just going to put a little shelf across the bottom. And we got ourselves a table. Okay, so you've been seeing me using a bunch of clamps. You want to retain your sanity when you're doing something like this all by yourself? Use clamps. But what if you don't have a clamp long enough? Ratchet strap. Okay, for the final step. Well, there we go. Some free pallets, a little bit of ingenuity, and the price of a box of screws. You got yourself a heavy-duty outdoor workstation. I think you could actually park a truck on it.